Extreme winds can be catastrophic, with tornadoes and derechos wreaking havoc on communities. Tornadoes form from severe thunderstorms and can produce winds exceeding 300 miles per hour, destroying everything in their path. Derechos, on the other hand, are powerful windstorms caused by a group of thunderstorms, often leading to widespread damage and power outages. To stay safe during these events, create a preparedness plan, seek shelter in a sturdy building, and stay tuned to weather alerts. Additionally, keep an emergency kit ready, stocked with essentials like water, non-perishable food, flashlights, and a first aid kit. By understanding the dangers of extreme winds, communities can better prepare and respond during these unpredictable events.